What is the rock cycle? It sounds like a slow, boring process, but it is actually a violent, multi-million-year recycling system that fundamentally shapes every corner of our entire planet. Driven by geothermal heat, tectonic collisions, and atmospheric weather, Earth is constantly creating, destroying, and transforming solid crust to maintain planetary balance. The cycle revolves around three distinct classifications of stone. First, igneous rocks are born from fire when molten underground magma or erupting volcanic lava cools and solidifies into hard rock, such as basalt or granite. Over millions of years, relentless wind, rain, and ice blast these exposed formations apart. Fast-flowing rivers wash the pulverized mineral debris into lakes and ocean basins, where accumulating layers are compressed and cemented together under crushing weight, forming sedimentary rocks like sandstone. When shifting tectonic plates drag these surface rocks deep into Earth's crust, intense subterranean heat and immense pressure take over. Without completely melting, the original minerals chemically recrystallize and reorganize into dense metamorphic rocks, such as marble or slate. If driven even deeper near the fiery mantle, scorching temperatures liquefy the stone completely back into molten magma, resetting the epic loop. Crucially, the rock cycle is not a rigid one-way circle. It is an interconnected web where any rock type can erode, bake, or melt directly into another. By continuously cycling vital minerals, regulating atmospheric carbon, and rebuilding entire landscapes, this planet-wide engine shows that the solid ground beneath our feet is alive with constant dynamic transformation.